Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 2022 53 variant question number 5. And topic is a combination of first part we can see it is a binomial expansion. Okay, you can guess from here. Okay, let's see further. A company A produce bags of sugar. An inspector finds that average of 10% of bags are underweight. Okay, so it means 10% bags are underweight. 10 of the bags are chosen random whenever he say, and sample is small sample. So this is the most probably this is the topic of binomial. And let me write a word binomial. And you know binomial whenever comes, we have a n and we have a n and p. So n is called total, and total is actually 10, and p is a probability of favor. So n is coming in this situation is 10, and what is that? Fewer than 3 are underweight. Underweight is naturally 10% are underweight. So it means p is understood. It's coming with us is 0.1. And what about the q? 1 minus that, so 0.9, because 1 minus this. So I think point is very clear. So what the question he's asking, fewer than 3, what does it mean fewer than 3? It means the x value is less than, okay, I'm writing it now here so you can understand, x value is less than 3. And you know, normally what is the plan and best technique whenever you have this kind of question, make a number line. Binomial always, and formula is very clear, NCR, q to power n minus r, and p to power r. And this binomial always start from 0. Continue until what number? Till 10. It's a less than 3. So it means we have to apply this formula 3 times. 2, 1, and 0. So let's apply. So first formula 10C0. So I talk about 0. Okay. Then I will apply this formula 10C1. And afterwards I will apply 10C2. So I believe this part is very, very clear, nothing hard to understand. Okay, and you know it very well. First bracket, we always write Q, which is 0.9. So 0.9 in each first bracket, and 0.1 will come in each second bracket, P, because you can see the formula on the top, P is coming later. So 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. And 10 minus 0 is coming here. 10 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 1, 1. 10 minus 2, 2. Now, if we just check it in calculator and you type it in, okay, it is coming from here. I got 0.34867 or 69. This gives us 0.38742. You can find out your mistakes. And here 0.19371. And final answer is coming with us is 0.930. I think this part is very, very clear. So let's go for the next part. And what is the next part we have, students? When you talk about part number B, the weights of the bags of sugar is produced by company B is a normal distribution. Okay, whenever this word comes, so we have to go for the normally distributed formulas, and mean is given by him is 1.04, and deviation is given here by him 0.06. So average is this, and how much deviate from the mean, how much more or less? 0.06. So find the probability the random chance chosen bag produce a company B more than 1.1. It means a weight is more than 1.11 kilograms. So let's see how we can do it. So it means more than this one. So how to write it? X value or W is weight, or M, I can say mass even. I can write M is mass, no problem at all. So mass is more than 1.11 kilogram. So how we can do it? And we have a special formula, X minus mean by deviation, to convert in normal format. This is not in normal format. So, and this X is behaving as a M. So I'm erasing this X. I'm writing here M as a mass. So let's start. And what is the mean, student? 104, and deviation is 0. That. So let me write it here. So mean is 1.04 and deviation is 0.06. So let's complete it. So I'm writing here Z immediately because this value is going to be here. So it means 1.11 minus mean and divided by deviation. So if I check it in calculator or okay, and it's giving us Z value is more than 1.167. You will always write 3 DP rounding. So student, what is the basic technique? So check it, is this positive? So right side, negative, so left side. But it's a positive, so I will make it here. And what is this one? How to pronounce? Z is more than. This is called lesser and this is called more. So more mean I will shade right side. But do you know, student, when we see the table, it always give, when I say phi of 1.167, it gives us from left corner always. So it means this will give us a white region, but I need this reddish region. So how to find that one, students? So phi of 1.167 give us the white part, but I need a reddish part, so 1 minus that. So now if I see from the table, and you know it very well, what is the method to see the table? So 1 minute, please. Let me show you the table. Okay, so what is the value we are looking for? And the value is I'm looking for is 1.1, you know it very well. 1.167. So 1.1 is coming from here, and this 6 coming from the top, and 7 coming in this section. So this 14, if I add, so I get here 0.8784. So I think point is clear. So let me write it here. And finally, I'm getting here 1.0.8784. And answer coming 0.122. So I believe this part is very, very clear. So let's talk about the last part. He said here, for 3 marks, 81% of the bags sugar produce less than W. Okay. So less than W, how to write this technical form? So it means mass is less than W. How many are those? How much percentage? 81%. So this data I'll copy from here, or I cut from here and I bring it down. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. There's a third part. So nothing hard. Again, formula, you know, Z equals to X or M minus mean by deviation. So X, okay, same time writing here Z and W minus mean, and mean is 1.04 and deviation is 0.06. And 0.81%, I put 2 more zeros beside of it. Okay, student, now what to do here? I will call this as A. So I'm writing is as A. If I don't call this A, no issue at all, but it may make question easier. So I consider here W minus 1.04 by 0.06 as A. So if I make a bell shape, now if I take a positive value, so what happens then, students? How to read it? Z less than A. I said before, it gives us the value from left side always, never from right side. So this is called phi of A equals to 0.8100. And phi of A equal to phi of what number will give us this 0.8100. We have to see the table in reverse way. So 0. Let's see how we can check it from here. So have a look now. So 0.81, 0.81, 0.8100. So if you look at carefully here, so 0.8 is, I think it is coming here. So it is maybe most probably because this is close to 81, 81, 81, 81, I think 8100. So we have to talk about this number. Okay, so check it from here. From here, 0.8. From top, if I go, I got a 7. And how much I have to add in this to get sharp that one? So it took 21 if I add. So it will give us 0.800. So 21 is very close, is 20. This number is a close, okay? So I think I can take from here 8. So 0.878. So 0.878. 5 I cancel, I got 0.878. Plug in this value there and get the answer finally. So W minus 1.04 over 0.06 equal to 0.878. And if I multiply with that and this will add, so let's see what final answer I get it. So final answer, if I check it now, it's coming with us 1.09 kilograms. Let me check, is it kilograms or what? So it is yes, it is coming with us kilograms, correct. So we have done it, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, and question is completely over.